Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 17. Here comes a letter. Let's begin the lesson. I'm a letter written with a pen and paper by Rina to her friend Ahmad. I was put in a letter box. The postman took me out and put me in a big bag. Taking a ride on the postman's bicycle, I reached the post office. There I was taken out of the big bag and stamped hard. The stamp was of Agartala, from where my travel began. Chapter C Letter gi maramdani ikoina tamdori basi. Letter na hairi basi mark si letter si iba matamda pen na ire aduga pen sina paper da iribani. Letter si Rina na iraga mahaki mamanaba Ahmad thabani. Ahanbada letter si letter box da thadare. Madudagi letter adu postman na lauthuaga achauba bag amada hape. Madudagi postman gi bicycle da puraga chatlaga post office yaure. Post office da masagi bag manung yauramba letter si lauthuaga stamp namme. Madugi stamp madu Agartala gini haibadi letter si Agartala dagi thaba hogduri bani. Madugi Agartala gi stamp nami bani. After getting stamp, I reached another big bag. This bag had many more letters, all heading for Delhi. The red postal van dropped me at the railway station. There I got into a train going to Delhi. Agartala gi post office tagi stamp nama aba matungda atopa achauba bag amada muk letter si yaukre. Masigi achauba bag sida atopa letter mayamama Delhi tamna chatkadaba mayamama gi marakta makoi punna yauminare. Red machu sangba postal van na bag achauba letter yauba singadu railway station da thadarame. Madudagi train da hapkatuna Delhi rom da thauba hokra. After a long journey of 5 to 6 days, I reached Delhi. I was sorted as per the area mentioned in the address written on me. One more stamp was put on me. Finally, the postman dropped me at Ahmad's house. Nimit mangani taruk ni train tong aba matungda Delhi yaukre. Madudagi letter gi makum maduda thariba address tu gi matungina tongan na khanduaga thamme. Stamp ama mo napa aba matungda mamai thangda letter adu Ahmad ki yum yaure. Given below is the journey of a letter shown through pictures. The pictures are not in a sequence. Arrange these to get the correct sequence by putting number in the circles. Masida piriba picture sing asi ikuyeng si. Masida piriba picture sing asi sequence order nate aduna letter ma thaba matamda sequence ki order si mathang manau nai na aikoina 1 2 3 haina aikoina tharaga yengse picture sing asi aikoina yengbada ahanbada pa macha asina letter si e basi masina number 1 oirani madudagi pa macha asina letter box ta thadabasina number 2 oirani letter box tagi amok aikoina yengbada postman asina letter box tagi lokthue masina number 3 oirani lokthuaga puraba matungda post office ta masida thamme masina number 4 oirani madudagi Delhi ki bag sida hapsan gre masina number 5 oirani Delhi yauraba matungda amuk letter sing asi sorted tawre masina number 6 oirani aduga postman na amuk Ahmad ki yumda sumna kinba chalani masina number 7 aduga last ta Ahmad na pare masina number 8 oirani asumna mathang letter sina chatpagi picture singa si akoina masida uba fange let's see the next one Rina wrote a letter to Ahmad write a letter to your friend in the class don't forget to write your friend's name everyone has written a letter but where do we post it let us make a letter box for the class tag an empty shoe box paint it with red color or paste red paper on it with help of scissors make a slit in the cover of the box the slit should be big enough for letters to be put in aikoina mamangda Rinana mahaki friend Ahmad da letter iraba matungda thabagi mathang step aikoina discuss tawkre asumna nakoigi class ta laiminaba friend namada nakoina letter e basi yai letter si thana bhonaba matamda nakoigi friend gi maming adu iba kawroidabani letter box ama aikoi sem si letter box si sem na bhonaba matamda khungup hapak pagi ahangba box ama laurasi red color sangjan biyai natragana aikoina red paper nappa yai scissor gi mateng lauraga aikoina box adu ahoba slit aikoina khara tham si masigi slit asida letter si happa channaba mongda aikoina kakadabane now letter box is ready madu loiraba matungda letter box asi aikoina saba loire haina loba yare drop your letters in the letter box now wait to receive the letter written to you by your friend one child will act as a postman he or she will take out the letters from the letter box and distribute them to all the children did you enjoy reading your friend's letter just as you wrote a letter to your friend in the same way your friends and relatives must also be sending letters to you bring some letters from home to school see how many different types of letters are there asumna letter box asi saba loiraba matungda tongan ba student singna letter sing asi ire aduga friend kanada pahaningino thaningino haibadushu iraba matungda letter box ta loina thadarani adudagi angang amana postman oina act tawba yare angang aduna letter sing adu lokthoaga maming tharamiba sing aduda mathang loina distribute tawre nangi friend na tharaiba letter duda iriba wahi sing adu nakoina paraga nakoina enjoy tawba yare asumna nangi friend sing aduga relative sing nasu nakoida letter si asumna thara ibane Nakoigi yumdagi tongan ba letter sing school da porak payai aduga letter makal makhan kari kari legi hai badu aikoina amuk yengba yai. What difference do you see in these letters? Which letters have stamps on them? Are all the stamps similar? What are the differences? Have you seen the stamp of the post office on these letters? Nakoina letters sing asi u matamda kari kari makan makan letters sing nakoina uba phangi. Letters sing asi aikoina u matamda address amata manade kanada thagadorino haibadugi matungina tongan ba address aikoina uba phangani. Letters sing da station amadagi atopa station amada chatkadaba letter sing asi stamp yauba aikoina ui. Stamp yaugdragadi letter asi postman na tila aroy aduna aikoina post office ki through the letter thage hairagadi aikoina stamp napkadabani. Napiba stamp sing asi aikoina ubada amata manade yamna lapna thagadaba letter sing sina maman khara henba stamp aikoina uba phangani aduga anakpa lamda thagadaba stamp singna maman anemba aikoina uba phangi. Collect different types of stamps and paste them below. Tongan ba letter ki stamp sing asi nakoina collect tawraga masiki box asida nakoina nappayare. How did your letter reach your friend? It reads because your friend's name and address was written on it. Nakoina letter ama iraga nakoigi friend da thaba matamda friend da mataw karamna yaurino haibada letter gi nakoigi makum duda envelope duda nakoigi friend gi maming aduga laifam na chingba accurate details iraba matungda nakoigi friend da yauribani kariguma masi shoiba taragadi nakoina thaningi ba friend da letter du yaubo ngamoy. Write your full address on the postcard given below. Masida postcard ama laire masida nakoigi full address masida EVS including pin code the pin number masida ibam laire. Rina's letter reached Delhi by train. How do you think letters reach distant places when there were no trains? Rinagi letter do train the hapaga pukraga Delhi yaukribani adubu yamna arapa mafam sing the thaba train laitaba mafam sing the di mataw karamna si yaugani haibani aduna arapa mafam sing asi train chendaba mafam moiragadi bus na puba natragana van na puba aeroplane da hapaga pukiba postman na yamna lapna tinba asina chingba sing asi aikoina thengnagani. Visit to a post office. Visit a post office near your house or school. Observe how letters reach here and are sent from here. Nakoigi yumgi natragana school ga naknaba post office amada nakoina chatlaga yenguba yai machida lairiba letter sing asi mataw karamna yaurai aduga mataw karamna amuk thaki haibisi nakoina observe tawbi yai. What are the different kinds of items available? What are their costs? Can you send a message to your friend outside India using the postcard that Rina used? What other work takes place here? Aikoina post office satpa matamda tungan ba item mayam ama aikoina uba pangi postcard, different types of postcard, different types of stamp asinachingba aikoina uba pangi makhoi mamalsing asisu manade amata yamna lapna thagadaba mafamda sinagadaba stamp sing sina tangi aduga nakna thagadaba mafam sidana stamp sing asi hongi asumna nakoina post office da chatlaga post office kari kari tawi chithi thaba chithi lakpa asina chingba sing asina koina observe tawi. Let's continue the lesson. What is this? What are Razia and her appa saying to each other about letter? Appa, do you know today we learn about the journey of a letter in the class? I want to write a letter to Nani. Appaga Raziaga wari shanarami letter gi maramda apana hairi basi makoi gi class ta ngasidi letter gi maramda tamai aduna mahakna nani da letter ma iba pami harami. You can write a letter. I'm going to make a phone call. If you want, you can also come along. Apana mo haira ibasi ng letter EBI mag phone tawge na nakarigumba pamagadi ay itong inarawa na hairami. Razia and Appa went out to make a phone call from a shop in the village. Appa dialed the phone number and both of them talked to Nani. They gave money to the shopkeeper and returned home happily. Raziaga, Appaga, dukan da chatlaga makoy ki village da laiba dukan amada chatlaga makoy na phone tawi. Apana phone number du namaga naniga wari shanare. Shopkeeper du da phone tawbagi paisa pirame aduga makoy na yamna harawna halaklami. Where all have you seen telephones? Telephone si nakoy na kadayda ugi haibani aduna nakoy yumda lairagadi yumda ugi haibiyare shopkeeper ki mafamda shopta uragana shopta ure haibiyare asumna nakoy na uriba mafam sing adu masida ibiyare. With whom do you talk on the telephone? Telephone da nakoy na wari sanaba mi sing adu masida ibiyare. Which of the two do you like more? Writing a letter or making a phone call? Why? Chithi ibaga phone tawbaga nakoy na karambana hena pami haibani pambagi maramdu nakoy na masida igadabani. Chithi ibana hena pamagadi chithi ibasina karigi hena pami bano aduga phone tawba pamagana phone tawba pambagi maramdu nakoy na masida igadabani. Telephones are of different types. Draw pictures of telephones you have seen. Telephone tongan ba makalgi mayama malay na koy na ukraba telephone makal sing adu masiki box asida na koy ni yekpuye. What all purposes can these telephones be used for? Tongan ba telephone adu telephone sing adu karamba matang da kari da sijinage in hangbani. Make your own telephone. Ikoy na telephone na masasi. For this, you need to empty match boxes or ice cream cups and thread. Make holes in both the match boxes or ice cream cups. Pass a thread through both the holes. Tie knots on both the ends of the thread. Your telephone is now ready. Ask your friend to put one end of the phone next to his ear and you hold the other end close to your mouth. Take care that the thread remains straight and does not touch anywhere. Start talking. Aikoina toy telephone si sana buhana matamda matchbox natragana ice cream cup aikoina laurani maduga langa laurani. Matchbox natragana ice cream cup asi aikoina mayayda hutlaga lang asi lengjalaga lang si kanna kisalaga thamani asumna atopa mess box natragana ice cream aduda su aikoina hutlaga lang si lengjalaga kanna kisalaga thamani madudagi mess box natragana ice cream cup adu friend namada nangi namanaba amada manakongda tahan bayare manakongda thamalani aduga nangna nachinda mess box natraga ice cream cup adu hapaga nakoina wangang bayare nangna wangang ingaida namanabaduna tarani masida nakoina ningjanggadabasi lang asi kolaga laibiyade stretch oigadabani chapting gadabani asumna nang nangang baloiraba matungda namanabaduna among ngangaga nang namok nangki ear da thamaga amuk tabiye. Design your own phone, mention its special features. We wrote a letter, we also made a phone call. What are the similarities and differences between a letter and a phone call? Koina phone ama isana design tawjaba yai. Aikoina letter su ikre aduga phone call su tawkre. Letter ga phone call ga gi similarities manabasing chi kari kari no aduga difference haibadi khenabasing china kari kari no. Letter ga phone call ga si arapa maphamda laipa mingonda wari sananabani aduga khenaba ama hairagana letter si thaba matamda yamna kuina changi aduga mathang chum pass tawgiduna destination adu yawi adubu phone call di aikoina hek tawba matamda aigi friend natragana aina tawriba midu paikhala aba matungda khodakta aikoina wari sanaba phangi. What are the other means of sending messages if there is no post office? Karigumba post office si laitragadi aikoina atopa message thabagi atopa means si kari kari laigi haibani aduna thaina ngai gi mamangdadi train tawraba pigeon da aikoina che iraga che du makoina puraga chatkraga aikoina thaningi ba miduda makoina pirami natragana letter si messenger amada sinakhraga aikoina pau pigadariba miduda amuk kusinahali asumna tongan ba means mayam ama thaina ngaida post office laitringaida tawrami. Here it comes the end of the chapter number 17. Here comes a letter. Thank you all.